Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce IEC 62439-3 2021 release and IEEE 1588. IEC 62439-3 has different editions. Include edition 1.2. In this edition, no 1588 included. Following edition 2.0. This is the first version, support 1588 over PRP and HSR. The Annex A introduce how to use 1588 over IEC 62439-3 network. Next version is edition 3.0. 3.0 Annex A, the whole chapter, introduce clock synchronization over redundant paths in IEC 62439-3. And next version is edition 4.0. In Annex A, there is the content about synchronization of clock over redundant paths. And this is the version number 3 was released 2016. In this edition, there are following contents. Clause number 1, scope, and reference, terms. Clause number 4 is about PRP. Clause number 5 is about HSR network. Clause number 6 about protocol implementation conformance statement. Clause number 7 is about PRP HSR MIP. And followed by Annex A is about clock synchronization over redundant paths in IEC 62439-3. Annex B is the PTP profile for power utility automation redundant clock attachment. Annex C is the PTP profile for high availability automation networks. Annex E is precision time protocol. This tutorial for IEC 62439-3. The Annex E is the management information base for single and double attached clock. Is MIP. 2021. The IEC 62439-3 edition 4.0 was released. There are following contents: scope, reference, terms, and definitions. Clause number 4, same as before, is about PRP network. Clause number 5, same as before, is about HSR network. Clause number 6 is about protocol implementation conformance statement. Clause number 7 is PRP HSR MIP. That's the major content, and followed by the following annexes. And Annex A, synchronization of clock over redundant paths. Annex B, PTP profile for power utility automation, redundant clock attachment. Annex C, the PTP industry profile for high availability automation networks. Annex E, precision time protocol tutorial for IEC62439-3. Annex E is the MIP for the single and doubly attached clocks. Annex F, conformance test for PRP and HSR, and handling redundancy in the high availability automation network, and also for the redundant clock attachment. There is a little bit detailed information about Edit 4.0 Annex A. The Annex A is about synchronization of clock over redundant net paths. The overview. This annex defines two different profiles. One is the layer 2 peer-to-peer profile. Second one is the layer 3 end-to-end profile. The second chapter of the Annex A includes the following chapters. The particular operation of a PRP for PTP messages, scenarios and device rules, attachment to redundant lines by boundary clock, attachment to redundant lines by doubly attached clocks, specification of DNP as double attached clock, PRP SAN red boxes for PTP. And following chapters included as well is the HSR mapping to PRP, and the HSR red box for PTP. Define the HSR messages and the PTP messages, and timing diagram, not the specification. How to use HSR PRP red box, connect to by boundary clock, HSR PRP red box connection by transparent clock, and HSR to HSR connection by HSR quad box. The chapter 5 in the Annex A include the following content. For the doubly attached clock, the state machine, supervision of port, BMCA for paired ports, selection of port state, HSR node specification. The chapter number 6 in the Annex A include the following contents. PTP datasets for high availability, general data types, dataset for ordinary clock and boundary clock, dataset for transparent clock. Annex B define the PTP profile for power utility automation, redundant clock attachment, include application domain, PTP profile specification, specifications, and redundant clock attachment. Annex C define another PTP industry profile for high availability automation networks. Include the PTP profile specification and the specification for layer 3 end-to-end profile, layer 2 peer-to-peer profile, and timing requirement for both L2 peer-to-peer and L3 end-to-end. Even the requirement for the media converter, requirement for the links, and default setting, and so on, so on. And Annex D introduce precision time protocol tutorial for the PTP industry profile, include objective, precision, what is definition about precision and accuracy, and clock types, and some options, layer 2 and layer 3 communications, even one step and two step clock correction, how to calculate the end-to-end link delay, how calculate peer-to-peer link delay. Annex E is about MIP for the singly and doubly attached clock, include conventions, data sets, and events. So this is everything I want to say regarding the IEC62439-3 2021 edition. This is just a high-level introduction. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.